What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. Finished those Proto 1000 Walthers, older, from 2006 subway cars. They great. Details, motors and everything's cool. So using luck pilot decoder, and I add golden LEDs for headlights, and it's reflecting kind of a little bit in the cab, and also original. It wasn't good. If you want to watch step by step, when I actually the whole entire videos, like I have a couple of parts on DCC Train Live, link will be in the comments and the description. Here I go. Ta-da! That's really cool. Absolutely like in real life. Fluorescent lights. I was in New York, I think 2017, took the car. It was Mitsubishi. I think it's different, guys. Also make a comment, please. Are they still around? That's my main question. So, very cool. All right. They are under address 3. That's what customer requested. But if you want to control lights differently, because I'm pressing like 0, for example, right? It's actually 1 turns the uh, internal lights, and 0. You put them on separate address, put consist, and for example, here you can turn the headlights on second car. Here we go. Well, let's run it a little bit. They are great. Lock sound, pardon me, lock pilot decoder, which is lock sound, the same performance, great. Contact 100% through the like longer switches. Beautiful. Yeah, so you can turn that light off in a second unit. I'm using Digitrax throttle. Very cool. Alrighty. Thanks for watching Supporting Business. If you want to support channel, there is a button under the video, join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.